Welcome to your VidSell community. In this video, we're going to cover how you can set up and style this area so that you can get started engaging your audience in the most effective way possible for your business. The first thing to do when setting up your community is to head over to your Engage area settings to set up your colors and logo that will appear across your entire engagement area. These will be important as they're used for CTA buttons and for custom styling so that your community's design fits your brand. When you first access your community, you'll be taken to your community editor. This is where you can modify your spaces, categories, and set up things like space CTAs and banners for your different spaces to create the right structure for your community. This editor area is viewable only to you and your logged in team members and not regular community members. On the left, you'll see a number of pre-created spaces to give you an idea of what is possible in your community. You can choose to keep these spaces or delete them to create your own from scratch. Whichever you choose, at the top of your spaces list, you'll see the option to add spaces without a category name. These are your home spaces and can be used for things like community-wide announcements or FAQ sections that you'd like everyone to see. Of course, you can also remove these to have every space within your community be contained within a category as well. To create a space, simply click on the New Space button. From here, you have the options to name your space, add an optional custom icon, and control what functions are available within your space, including only appearing to users with specific tags, member posting and comment controls, and if you'd like to include a space banner and CTA. These controls let you do a lot, like setting up announcement spaces where only you can post, or locking certain spaces to be only available for members who have paid access, and much more. Once your categories and spaces are set up with the proper permissions, you're ready to move on to styling your space banners. Here you can change your banner text color, and select the background you'd like to display. There are a number of options here, including a gradient of your brand colors, which were set up earlier in your settings area, custom images, and videos. These options help you make your community more personalized for your audience, which can make a big difference in how your community feels to engage in when inside. Next, you can move on to customizing your space's main CTA. Upload an image for your CTA, customize the text, and choose what action you'd like to direct. This lets you seamlessly connect to the other areas of your video business, like your sales flows and courses, other spaces within your community, offer digital downloads, link to an external URL, or choose no CTA to remove the button and make this area more like a side banner for additional information. Then you're able to move on to editing your profile, which includes a customizable banner image and some information about you, including your title, bio, and any links you'd like to share that others can see when they view your profile in the community. With these simple but highly customizable options, VidSell lets you build and style your community in the best way for your audience and make your community a valuable hub of engagement for your entire video business.